Have you ever seen interesting words or expressions in English, but you couldn't understand what they meant? It's necessary to study them in context. I'm here to help. Welcome to Everything English with John, the #1 place for YouTube English lessons. I'm John, and today we're going to study interesting vocabulary in English. Crook. Emily and Sam are discussing a recent news story. Emily is sharing her thoughts on the story. I can't believe this thief managed to steal so many valuable items without anyone noticing. Yeah, the police are still trying to figure out how it all happened. I hope they catch this person soon. It's scary to think that someone so cunning is out there. You're right. It's important to be aware of what's going on around you. Absolutely. Whoever this person is, they're quite the crook. I agree, but let's hope they'll be brought to justice soon. Quiz time. What does crook mean? A clumsy person? A police officer? A dishonest person or criminal? A judge? Please pause the video and answer the question. That's right, it's C. A dishonest person or criminal. Teaching moment. A crook is a dishonest person or criminal, often used to describe someone who steals or engages in illegal activities. This word comes from the English adjective crooked, which means not straight. An arrow is straight. A path through the mountains is often crooked. Examples. Why do you like that politician? He's such a crook. The police are searching for the crook who robbed the jewelry store last night. I can't believe that guy tricked us into buying fake tickets. He's such a crook. Jenny suspects her neighbor might be a crook, since she always sees him sneaking around at night. Vocabulary extras. Rewatch the video to catch the vocabulary. To figure out. To solve. Cunning. Clever. Smart for personal gain. To be aware. To be focused. To understand. Brought to justice. To be punished for a crime. Thanks for watching Everything English with John. Please like, share, and subscribe. For more information or private classes, please visit my site, everythingenglishwithjohn.com.